Hi. Today we're going to talk about setting up a feather flag. We're going to go through first what's in the bag, and then we'll take it out. We'll put it together. Only takes a couple minutes to get these things together, so it should be pretty quick. All right. When you get the bag, you open it up. You'll have your flag. You'll have a ground stake. Sometimes if you're putting these on a concrete surface, you may instead order the X-base, which is you'll just fold out and lay flat on the concrete. But for a yard installation or anywhere other than that, you're going to use a ground stake. So we got one of those, and we have 4 poles, and these are all different sizes. They're going to stack together to give you the height for your feather flag. So yeah, first thing you want to do, just get your poles out. You're going to start putting those together. You'll see the bottom one got like a brass fitting on the end. It's also got this tie rope to secure the flag once you get it on. So you'll start with that one first, and you'll just slide these together, working from largest to smallest. And the very top one's going to have some type of ball on the end just to protect the flag so you don't tear it out. All right. So once you get your pole together, you can just lay that down, the case out of the way. You can go ahead and unfold your flag. And what you're going to do is just take the pole and just start to feed it up through this black sleeve on the outside. You'll notice a couple grommets at the bottom. You're going to use those to tie it off once you get it all the way in there. So just feed that through. The poles come apart, no worries. Put them back together. And you may have to feed it around this corner at the top. Sometimes it gets a little hung up. Okay. So then you're going to take this bungee at the bottom. If I can get it undone here. Got a clip there. You're just going to feed this up through here, pull it down as tight as you want it to be. And you're going to tie that off. So there you go. Your flag ready. You're going to grab your ground stake, and you may be able just to push this in. If you can't push it in, you just want to grab a hammer and just tap it. Down like that. And you're just going to slide that brass fitting right over like that. And that's it. Feather flag installation.